In this new release, we've added new unfolder rules for tool assignment. So before we could do this with a manual function in the unfolder tab, but now we can create rules to automatically assign tooling for the unfolder parts when they're imported. So by default, we've got a few rules that are installed for customers to take a look at. You can see how they're constructed, what kind of criteria you can follow, and then how the punch and die are applied. And then you can enable these and edit these rules based on what you need for your parts. So first, let's import a few parts just to show you what it looks like when those tool rules are unenabled. So this is just the parts as they're modeled. You can see they have pretty large radiuses, and because of that, I didn't have any unfolding rules that are matched, so just use the material K factor. So let's go ahead and clear the workspace and enable that rule, and re-import those parts. And you'll see right away, because of those tooling selections, the radiuses that were there on those parts are updated to be much smaller. They even now meet a new unfolding rule, so you can see when the tooling is applied and the radius is changed, that we do again look at your unfolding rules to determine how to create the flat pattern in those cases. And these are going to be accurate to the tooling that you've selected. And of course, we can do this on a bit more complex of a part with multiple different bends, and it'll update all the bends that it can based off of the rules. So here you can see on Sigmatek 4, it's gone ahead and imported and made these bends slightly smaller based on that tooling selection.